What's up everyone, Marissa here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners and the top 7 websites that I recommend if you're just getting your feet wet with affiliate marketing and you want to know, okay, well, where do I start? So I'm going to go over the 7 websites where I think is a great start, and you guys could definitely research them further, and I'll just go ahead and give you a few tips on each of the websites. So anyways guys, before I get started, just wanted to say that I have a video training. It's free, that goes more into depth about this topic, and if you are interested in starting your affiliate marketing business, it's a great resource to start with. I'll leave that in the first link in the description. Alright guys, so also if you're new to the channel, welcome. In this channel I talk about building a business online, making money from online. I talk about affiliate marketing, talk about different strategies on how to scale your online business, email marketing, all kinds of stuff. So I post consistently, most of the time daily. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate your support. And without further ado, let's get started. So before I switch my screen back to my computer, I just wanted to go over the concept of affiliate marketing. I know most of you guys may already know, but just in case, affiliate marketing is, when you're talking about online, is basically promoting somebody else's, another company's products or services. They could be digital, physical, they could be event products. It could really be anything where a company is willing to have an affiliate program where they give you a special link that is coded to your information, and when you promote that link and when visitors come to that link, they get a cookie on that link of yours, which means that basically whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link, it's now locked into your code. So whenever they try to return to the website at a later time and make a purchase, you get the commission from that link because of the cookie. So it's really a great thing. And so that's basically what affiliate marketing is. It's sending traffic to a product that's not yours, and if they purchase and you make a sale, then you get a commission off that sale. It could be anywhere from 5% to 75%, and even sometimes if it's a smaller product, the company will give you 100% of the commission of that first sale. Alright guys, so anyway, that is what affiliate marketing is. So now I just wanted to talk about the 7 websites, and we'll get started with the first one. Alright, so let's look at Amazon.com. Now, what's special about Amazon.com is that we all at some point have shopped and purchased something on Amazon. And so if you are an advocate and a supporter of a certain product that you have on Amazon, why not become an affiliate of that product for Amazon and receive up to a 10% commission? Alright, so Amazon is, it's free to become a member of, it's free to become an affiliate of Amazon.com. All you got to do is go to like Amazon partnership. Shoot, I'm messing up. But you can create a free account. Just type in an Amazon affiliate program, and it'll be the first link. But what I wanted to direct your attention to is, if you're into, let's say, technology or something like maybe hiking or stuff outdoors, or let's say you use outdoor equipment for some of the hobbies you have, and you love a backpack or you love a certain type of gear that you're wearing, and you want to promote it, maybe on your blog post or your YouTube channel, or shoot, even your Instagram or Facebook, you can do that with Amazon. So like let's take the technology niche for example, so like DSLR camera, all right? And I like using cameras as an example because they have a higher profit margin, right? So cameras are hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars, so that makes your commission a lot higher. All right, so what's cool is that we all have, some type of, well, not all of us, but we all have some type of camera, GoPro, drone, lighting equipment microphones, Gorilla Pods, lenses, and all of these things are marketable, all right? And the example I love to show is this guy's YouTube channel. His name is Think Media, and he does an amazing job at being an Amazon affiliate, because all he does is give tips and tricks with technology in the technology niche. So like, look at this, Canon M50 video test. So he'll give value on different reviews, and what he'll do is in his in his description, he has the Amazon affiliate links. So just imagine with 50 plus K views, and he's giving good high quality content, how many commissions he's making from all of these technology and camera equipment. So that is a great idea. If you have a hobby where you have a higher end product, or maybe even not that high end product on Amazon, go ahead and grab your affiliate links for those products today and get started. The next website I want to talk about that's great for affiliate marketing is clickbank.com. All right. Why this is so great is because ClickBank is like probably one of the #1 websites in the world where affiliates can go and be affiliates of digital products. It's got a high quality reputation, plenty of niches to choose from. If you go into the affiliate marketplace, you have all of these categories to choose from in promoting different products, all right? So like anything from arts and entertainment, and it's in alphabetical order, all the way down to travel. So if we pick on something like, let's say self-help, because self-help, and there's even subcategories to different self-help, the big self-help categories. So there's abuse, dating guides, marriage and relationships, self-defense, stress. So there's digital products on all these different types of categories. And my advice to you is, if any of these niches here relate to you and you're passionate about one of these niches, start a YouTube channel about it. Give value on it, make tips and tricks videos, and build up your subscribers and your audience, and then put your affiliate link to the product in the description. And so why I like this is because you can come to ClickBank the two things you need to understand is you need to rate it by gravity, because the gravity score here tells you how popular the product is and how many affiliates are having success promoting this product. So you want the gravity score. I like to make it at least 30. I like to make the average sale worthwhile. I like to make it, let's just say 25. Just to kind of narrow down what it is, all right? And so you'll be able to find lots of products on here to promote, and it's as simple as that. And the great thing about ClickBank is you can promote different types of niches. And what I mean by that is you can have a blog post or a blog website that's strictly about business investing, and another one that's strictly about motivation and self-help, and then another one about fitness and weight loss. You guys get the idea. So that is what I highly recommend for people getting started, is ClickBank. Another one is called JVZoo. Now, if you go to jvzoo.com, this is extremely similar, and the cool thing about JVZoo is not only do they have digital products now, but they also just announced that they're incorporating physical products. Now, I haven't done much research into the physical products, but go ahead and check out jvzoo.com. It's a great place to get started as well. The next website I recommend is CJ Affiliate. So it's cj.com, and it used to be known as commissionjunction.com, I believe. But CJ Affiliate is really cool because you can promote more than just digital products. You can promote physical products, and also there's different things you can promote, such as events, and there's a whole lot of variety on CJ Affiliate. And the reason why CJ Affiliate is pretty cool is because they partner with bigger companies, like the bigger stores, such as like Nordstrom Rack and other department stores you would find in the mall, and they're kind of the middleman. So if you wanted to promote products like that, a CJ Affiliate is a good choice. So I would just kind of You know, go here, go to the affiliate overview, and you know, it's more strict. I think you would have to apply to be an affiliate in most cases, and that's perfectly fine. But I do recommend CJ Affiliate as a website to start off as. So another one is Share a Sale. ShareASale.com. You can promote all kinds of stuff. So you can promote, because you can promote branded stuff. You can promote MLB, NBA, and stuff, and it's legal on ShareASale.com. Usually, like if you're trying to, you know, start an e-com store and you know, put an NBA team's brand on a sweatshirt made from China, that's illegal. But if you do want to promote major league teams and stuff like that, you can do it on ShareASale. So I would, you know, highly suggest going here and checking it out. They, because I do believe that with affiliate marketing, there's money to be made in every single niche. But I do want to bring up a point that the top 3 most profitable niches and the ones that are going to be around forever, because people have pain points in each one, is health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. So this is the reason I'm showing you guys all these websites, is just so you can see the possibilities of how you can be an affiliate for everything, which you may not have realized before. All right. But I just wanted to make that note of what is the most popular now. So if you were to start in one of those 3 niches, build it up, make it profitable, then you could really switch to whatever niche you want. All right, so the number 6, I think we're on 6, website is called flexoffers.com. So again, I've never personally done any promotions with Flex Offers, but I know it's pretty good. I've heard different things from different affiliates, and the cool thing is you can come here and check out what kind of affiliate program categories they have. So they have business, digital products, family, insurance, media, shopping. So whatever resonates with you, you can come here and start, you know, promoting this. Newest advertisers, see, they have a health and wealth, energy, legal services, a bunch of cool stuff, sports and fitness. So, you know, I would encourage you to go through and check these out as well. Again, whatever aligns best with whatever niche you're going for right now. And this is kind of cool too, is on this side they have all the different products, or the number of products associated with each category. So I really like that about Flex Offers. So go ahead, check out flexoffers.com. And the last website I recommend is AventLink. Just go to aventlink.com, and I really like the look of their website. Again, I have not promoted on AventLink, but I've heard great things about it. So what you would do is you would come and just click on affiliates and see what they have in there to offer you guys to collaborate and get paid. Oh, the other thing I did want to mention though is that AventLink, in case you're watching from worldwide, AventLink is only limited to USA, Canada, and Great Britain citizens. So unfortunately, if you're outside of any of those countries, you're not able to be an affiliate. But nonetheless, check out aventlink.com, because I know it is a great affiliate tool, and you know, it's got good programs, good categories, and all different types of niches. All right, guys, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If you got any value at all, please give this video a thumbs up and give me feedback and let me know how I did, or what else it is you would like to see. Just drop a note in the comments, and of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And also, #1 recommended affiliate marketing network and program where you can make a full-time income online and, you know, have more time freedom, or whatever it is you want to do to either travel the world like I do, or, you know, spend more time with your family and friends and loved ones and those you care about the most. Go ahead and check out the second link in the description. It'll be like my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. And yeah, let me know what you think. I will see you guys on the next video.